Channel. As you can see, I've already started on this half of my hair, so I have already washed it with shampoo. I use the Creme of Nature Pure Honey Moisturizing Dry Defense Shampoo. I love it because it has no sulfate, and I think out of all the shampoos that I've used, not from just this line, but from a lot of the lines, I just hate the way shampoo makes my hair feel. I really hate the way shampoo makes my hair feel. But, you know, this shampoo is not as bad. This one leaves my hair feeling a little bit softer, and I like the way it smells. And it's easier for me to detangle while I'm washing it. So right now, like I said, I already washed this side. This side is not washed yet. After I washed the shampoo out, in it right now is the silicone mix. I don't know if you guys have heard of it, but I love it. Love it. I'll do a separate video on this later. So next we're going to be washing this side, trying to get it situated, and rinse this side out and then put some silicone in here. So that's what we're going to do next. So if you're ready, here we go. Yes, let's get this video started right. Let's give this video a thumbs up if you're with me using this Creme of Nature line, and go ahead and hit that alert button while you're there, so that way you guys can be the first ones to get alert on my new videos. Guys, I just wanted to come and let you guys know a little bit about the silicone mix. It definitely makes my hair a lot more manageable, especially since I have around the 4B, 4C area hair. Definitely makes it a lot more manageable. It makes the curls pop, makes it a little bit easier to run my hands through. The detangle is very easy, so I recommend using this product as much as possible. I try to use it every time that I wash. It is very new to me, but I have fallen in love with it since day one, so I suggest you guys try that out, definitely.
yeah, my battery died after this and I didn't get to record the rest of it, but I did throw some pictures in there in the end so that you guys can see, and a small little video clip after this. So I love you guys. Thank you so much. Mwah.